So my background is what I like to call dirt and grime marketing. It's where I grew up in industrial marketing, trying to differentiate a piece of electrical cable, a bit of wire in it, with a bit of rubber or plastic, and it's a real interesting starting point for me in marketing, the world of marketing, just to have that challenge of recognising it's not about a product, it's about what that product can do and actually all the support you can provide and services. So that's where I started my career in marketing. That evolved into running my own business. I learned more about marketing, running my own business than I did anything else, because it brought the realities of the commercial side of marketing, particularly cash, into my world. I think it's that ability to make things happen. You know, we live in a world where people can be very negative about opportunities, where, in my view, anything's possible. Open up new opportunities, see organisations prosper through being innovative, really meeting customer requirements where maybe there wasn't an opportunity before, but they've discovered something and they've made it happen. And to me, seeing those success stories just makes me believe everything's possible. I've always grown up in the last few years, certainly running a small business myself, so I get it in terms of the challenges it faces, and trying to apply the principles that I believe in and realising just how difficult that is. And one of the key challenges for small businesses is finding time to reflect and think. And for me, the Help to Grow programme really enables people to reflect and think about their business and where they're taking their business. The biggest problem for most small businesses, one, they haven't really thought about what their business is or where it's going. They tend to come up with a great idea at the beginning, but then they forget as they're going on what the next big idea or the next thing is to replace that. So for me, the second thing they have is that they don't get time to think strategically. And this program is all about thinking about your business, where that business is going, how we're going to move it forward to the next phase. And to me, the Help to Grow program provides so many areas that they have to think about, and they basically can think which of these is the most applicable to me moving forward, take one or two pieces from that program, focus on that with the support of the mentors, and then they can see their business flourish in the future.